What am I looking for exactly?
You'll see. Just close your eyes and keep your mind wide open. Have you ever seen the sky so beautiful, colorful, wide and wonderful? Have you ever felt the sunshine so brilliantly raining down over you and me? Have you ever wanted more? Wanted more? You got to keep your mind wide open, all the possibilities. You got to live with your eyes open, believe in what you see. Think of all the days you've wasted, worrying, wandering, hopelessly hoping. Think of all the time ahead. Don't hesitate, contemplate. No